Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday today. It's a beautiful day. I'm trying to get outside as much as possible today, but I did want to quickly film this. Actually, it might be a longer video because I have so many packages to unbox. I'm casually holding a muffin in my hand. I have 11 packages to unbox with you guys, which I'm super excited about. Oakley's having some lunch, and I don't know how long this is gonna last, but if you're wondering what I'm eating, I'm having a Veggies Made Great banana chocolate chip muffin. These are delicious. Delicious. I got them for Oakley, but he doesn't like them, so more for me. I wanted to do this unboxing because a lot of these packages were sent to me through PR. A couple of them I purchased myself from Amazon and Walmart, but I honestly don't remember what a lot of these boxes are. So I thought we could unbox together. I also got my nails done a few days ago, and I feel like they're very Euphoria. It's like blue marble tips on these, and I love them. I think they're so fun. When I went into H&M the other day and I saw like green and retro and just like weird like 70s style clothing come back in stock, I'm like, I don't know if I love it, but now I'm like, do I love it? Because I'm going with like the fun nails, and I feel like I normally wouldn't do this to my nails. I don't know. So maybe I'll get into it, but we'll see. All right, I just want to start unboxing because Oakley's almost done with his lunch, and I just feel like he's not going to give me the time to unbox. So first, let's start off with this one because I just got this in the mail yesterday. This is from It Cosmetics, and it looks like it's a new foundation. You okay? Chew it good. So let's see what it is. Ooh, it is the, oh yes, a new brush. The new Your Skin But Better CC Plus Nude Glow SPF 40. Wow, I love the original CC cream, and this is a glowy version, I guess. I feel like the original was pretty glowy. I don't know. So I have three different shades here. SPF 40, which is really good for the summertime. Did you just burp? And let's see, it has hyaluronic acid in it, green tea extract, clear SPF 40, niacinamide. Wow! And this really nice brush. I feel like It Cosmetics brushes are really nice. So I'm so excited to try this. It has medium coverage and a brightening glow serum. So thank you to them for sending that over to me. I'm really excited about that. There's a couple of things here for Oakley, so I feel like if I open these packages and he starts to get a little whiny, I can just give him the packages for him. This one's from Amazon. Oh yes, I've been wanting these, and I placed an order because I don't have them. They're claw clips for your hair. Look at, oh, I love this color. And they're all matte. So I really wanted claw clips because I know they're in, and I always wear my hair up, and I feel like it would be cuter in a clip. So I got these matte clips. I'm gonna have to look up like videos because I feel like if I did it, it wouldn't look good, but I got tan, gray, black, and like a cream. So pretty excited about that. As weird as that is, it was like super, super cheap. I don't know what this is. Why are you throwing your banana on the ground? You don't like banana? You said banana yesterday, and it was the cutest. What was that? Okay, we have a couple of masks in this one. I did receive this free for review from Octoly and Vita Masks. So we have the Hydrate Hemp Metallic Sheet Mask made with hemp and super green complex. So we have this one. You guys know I love my face masks. I have so many, and I really need to do more face masks. What are you doing, honey? Then we have this one, which is the Retinol Hibiscus. Okay, do you want a cookie? All right, so this is a over 90% natural sheet mask. So I have these two. I actually have to use them though, because they'll just sit in my drawer. Let's go on this side. Let's open this Walmart one. Oh, okay, so I want to start making my own coffee at home. I know I make K-Cups all the time with my Keurig. Every morning I have a Starbucks caramel K-Cup. And Starbucks is just so expensive now. It's usually like $7 for a grande, and I'm like, I can't. I just actually can't. So I decided I'm gonna start using my Nespresso machine again and actually try to like look up recipes and make my own yummy iced coffee. So what I got was Starbucks Nespresso pods. So they have these on Walmart's website, and someone actually told me that they had them. I didn't know. I couldn't find the caramel one though. So I got the blonde one. Oh, I got 2 blonde espressos. So I got those, and then I was like, I have to get the Starbucks caramel syrup if I want to start making these Starbucks mock drinks. So I got the caramel one and the vanilla one. They also have sugar-free, so I probably should pick up a sugar-free one for Scott, because I know he likes, well, he has to have like the sugar-free because he has diabetes. But yeah, I want to start making my own Starbucks concoction at home. So I picked up that. Okay, the next package I have something from I Do Care. So I Do Care, I believe you can find this at Ulta. I've seen it at Ulta. So this is Straight Chillin' Cooling Aloe Sheet Masks. More sheet masks. So this is kind of a cool container. It almost reminds me of like an ice cream container. But it has aloe vera leaf in it, cucumber, and lemon balm. And it has 30 sheet masks in here. So wow. Matches my nails. So I got that from I Do Care, and then they also sent me this, which is the Mini Scoops Mini Ice Cream Flavored Wash Off Mask Set. Have I tried this? I feel like I think I tried this so long ago. I did, yeah. So I used to have these in the big version, but they sent me over 3 of their mini little masks. So thank you to them for sending that over to me. So this one says, say hello to beautiful hair. This is really, really pretty packaging. I love that. So this is the Milk Shake Natural Beauty. Now these are hair products, and what they sent me is a dry shampoo. It has a magic scent. It's dry shampoo, instant dry shampoo, milkshake lifestyling. So this is the packaging. I really like it. It's very sleek. And it looks like a little pamphlet, which is so pretty. Everything's so pretty. And it has a magic scent, so I kind of want to spray it. I did just wash my hair. You wouldn't be able to tell because I don't know what's wrong with my hair. Why are you dropping that for Teddy? My hair appointment, my next hair appointment is literally like 45 days away. And do you see my roots? Ooh. That actually smells so good. It says it's a magic scent. Ooh, it smells like a very like light perfume, but like a fresh perfume. I like that. I'll have to give it a try to see like how it works in my hair, because I just washed my hair, so I don't know if we would see a difference right now, but I am gonna link this down below. They sent it free for review from Octoly and Milkshake. But loving this packaging, and I'm loving the way it smells. Uh-oh, do you want to come out of there? Okay. Okay, next, let's open this one. I feel like my ankles are gonna fall off. What is this? Ooh, yes, I'm so excited about this product. So this is from Josie Maran, and I received this free for review from Josie Maran and Octoly. I will link it down below. This is the Get Even Sun Milk SPF 33. It's a mineral sunscreen. It has Kakadu. It has Kakadu Superfruit Blend and Sheer Argan Hydration. This is the packaging. Love this bright orange. And this is just supposed to give you like a sheer tint. It's supposed to kind of even out your skin, but it also is basically a sunscreen. So, Get Even Sun Milk. I really like Josie Maran products, and I'm gonna give this a try on my hand right now just to see what it looks like. So it comes out white, but I'm pretty sure these are one of the products that like you blend in and it blends in with your skin. Like it changes to your skin tone. Ooh. It doesn't smell like a normal Josie Maran product. Like it doesn't smell like argan oil to me. But it's super silky. Yeah, it's like a nice like satin finish. Oh, is that what we're doing? Oh, yeah, that feels nice. So I'm all for sunscreens. Like, I need to take care of my skin. Thank God, like, I don't have really any scars from like the whole skin tag situation of last year, if you guys remember my neck. Wow. That was rough. We have a couple more packages. I'm gonna bring Oakley down on the ground in a second to open the Lovevery packages. But this next one we have, oh, it's from Amazon. Because like I said, I want to start making my coffee at home. I got these little mini cube trays to make the mini ice. In a future home, I would love an ice maker. I would be obsessed with an ice maker, but we don't have that right now. So I got this for like $7. And I want to be fancy and make fancy coffee, so I got this. Okay, I took Oakley out of his chair, so let's move on. We still have things in this Amazon box. What's this? Oh, I got this like fancy, I don't want you eating plastic. No. You want this? Here. So let's grab another plastic thing. I got this little cup. Oh my God, it's so cute and tiny. So this is for making, well, not necessarily, but I'm gonna put my cold foam in here because I'm gonna make cold foam and pour it on top. How cutie is this? Okay, and the last thing I got from Amazon. Oh God. See, this is such chaos. So sorry. I didn't eat it! Don't touch it! Don't touch! I don't want that in your mouth. Yeah, that's an ice cube tray. What's Teddy doing behind me? Okay, so I really wanted new mugs. Careful, honey. Do you want to sit on Mommy's lap? Probably not, but can you? So I really wanted new mugs, and I just wanted the clear, kind of old-fashioned coffee style. So I got 4 of these, and they're just like that old-style coffee mug. Old-fashioned, like, style coffee mug? I don't know. So I got these, got the ice, got the coffee stuff. I need to get like the caramel like sauce. I don't want you eating that. Yeah, there's not much you can eat right now. But yeah, I got 4 of these. This is for you, honey. Let's open this. Okay, so I got 2 packages in the mail from Lovevery, and Lovevery always has like different toys or different activities based on babies' ages. So I picked the one for 13, 14, and 15 months, even though he's 12. He's almost 13 months, kind of. So I thought these would be really fun for him. So I got him the colorful blocks. Okay, look, no more plastic. Look at this. Look! Teddy's excited. Are these too tiny? No. Okay, so look at this. Colorful blocks. Are you kidding? Let me take the mask and you play with this. Look. Wow. Okay, so he actually just got like a set of wooden blocks from his aunt and uncle, but they're like a little heavy, like they're too big for him, and I think they're a little dangerous. So actually this, can you swallow those? Oh boy, what is this? What the heck is this? I don't know, we're gonna have to play with that. Just don't swallow anything. So that's one of the packages, and then this is the other one, which has more of like a set of different things. Whoa, I do have a code with Lovevery, and I'll put it down below. Oh my goodness, Teddy's gonna lose his mind. Okay, look at this. There's a few different things in here. This is not for you, Teds. What? There's little bunnies in here. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. If you know, you know. Oh my goodness, here. actually says everything that you get in the box. So it says all the different things that you have and what they do. And then you also get this little pamphlet for 13, 14, and 15 months. So this is ways to play, expert tips, development info, and at-home activities. So you get this little book, this little cube. Can you take this off? What? That's so cool. That's a cool one. Also comes with 2 of these balls, but Teddy, like, we already have one of these balls and Teddy's obsessed with it. So we won't show that right now. We have these, which is, this goes on the wooden stacker. Yeah, there's just a lot in here. So these are supposed to be good for development. Can you eat this? I don't know if these are like too tiny. Just don't swallow it. I'm gonna take this one. I'll take the carrot. I'll take the carrot for now. Like I said, this box is for the 13, 14, and 15 month old, so I don't know if he's like too little for this one with like the tinier items, but I'll just have to keep an eye on him while he's playing with it. So I will link Lovevery down below. Everyone that I've talked to like is obsessed with Lovevery, and it's just nice switching up the toys for the babies. Got one more package here, and this one I think is from BlendJet. What would you like, darling? You have all the toys in the world. Okay, let's move these. Alright, so I did get a package from BlendJet. It just took me forever to open that. But the first thing I have in here is, 50 easy and delicious BlendJet recipes. I hear so many people talking about BlendJet, so I'm wicked excited. Look at this, blended iced chai latte. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the BlendJet that I got. So it makes everyday wellness refreshingly easy and convenient. It's a portable blender you can take anywhere. Cordless, water resistant, quiet, and BPA free. AKA I can make a shake or a smoothie or something while Oakley's sleeping and it should not wake him up. So I got mine in a marble print. So that's what it looks like. It comes with a little travel case, and then it also sent me this bag, lavender bag that says BlendJet. Ooh, and then so many different like recipes. So I think I can follow the recipe in the book and make a latte, a chai latte. But we also have the cinnamon dolce. Is it dolce or dulce? Ah! Careful, baby. I know. Ooh, a caramel latte, a mocha latte, so many different ones to try out. I do not want you eating that. So I will link this down below. I think they gave me a coupon code as well, so I'll put that down below in the description box. And I gotta end this video because I gotta go. I always have to leave because it's always crazy, right? You have so many toys. This one's so much fun because there's bunnies in it. There's bunnies! Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try and link everything down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.